Welcome to the Solfa family, where music becomes easy. Lesson 1. What is solfa? In music, every sound has a name. We call these names solfa, also called solfège, is a simple way to name musical notes. Instead of using letters like C or D, we say It helps singers and musicians understand melodies faster, no matter what key they're in. Every song you've ever heard was made from some of these 7 notes. From gospel, to pop, to traditional songs. Every melody is formed using solfa. Now that you know what solfa is, let's learn how to find do on any key.
Don't forget to subscribe and join the Solfa family.